In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to PS4 in a quick and easy way. This is really useful if you want to link your PlayStation Network account with Discord so you can show your gaming activity, connect your profiles, and make it easier for friends to see what you're playing. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and sign into your account. You can do this on the desktop app or in your browser, whichever you prefer. Once you're logged in, look near your username in the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gear icon there. Click that gear icon to open your user settings. Inside user settings, scroll through the menu on the left side until you find Connections. Click on Connections because this is where Discord lets you link external accounts like PlayStation, Xbox, Twitch, Spotify, and more. When the Connections page opens, you'll see a list of platform icons. Now click the PlayStation logo. This is the option you need to connect your PS4-related PlayStation Network account to Discord. After clicking it, Discord will guide you through a series of steps. Go ahead and click Continue whenever you're prompted, and make sure you follow each screen carefully. Next, you'll be asked to sign in to your PlayStation Network account. Enter your PSN email and password, then complete the login process. If PlayStation asks you to verify your account with any security checks, finish those steps as well. This part is important because Discord needs permission to access your PlayStation account information. Once you're signed in, you'll see an authorization screen. Here, you need to authorize Discord to connect with PlayStation. Review the permissions carefully, and then approve the connection so Discord can link the accounts together. After that, Discord will ask whether you want to display your PSN status and game activity on Discord. This is where you can choose how much information you want to share. If you want friends to see what you're playing, you can turn those options on. If you prefer more privacy, you can leave them off. Take a moment to choose the settings that work best for you. Finally, save the connection settings. Once that's done, your Discord account and PlayStation Network account should now be connected. You can return to your profile or settings to confirm the connection and make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully connected Discord to PS4. Now your gaming activity can be linked between both platforms, making it easier to share your PlayStation status with your Discord friends. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.